Can you solve this problem? 6 plus 6 divided by 6 times open parenthesis, 10 minus 6 close parenthesis. Many people solve this problem this way. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. But this is wrong. Remember, the rule is PEMDAS. P parentheses first, E exponents, powers, square roots, and so on. MD multiplication and division, left to right. A and S addition and subtraction, left to right. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So the correct answer is 10.